Have you ever dreamed of seeing a bigger balance in your bank account? Maybe you're hoping to clear some debt, save up for a getaway, or just have a little more freedom with your spending. Thanks to the internet, earning money from home is more possible than ever. No fancy degree or big savings required. All it takes is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to try something new. This guide is designed for absolute beginners, no confusing terms, just clear, actionable steps. We're here to show you how to start making real money online, quickly and simply. Think of this as your personal roadmap to financial independence. We'll walk through easy side hustles anyone can try and introduce a powerful tool to help you along the way. Remember, making money online isn't about getting rich overnight. Start small. Aim for your first $100, then $200, then $500. Every small win builds your confidence and shows you what's possible. We'll focus on low-risk, beginner-friendly strategies to help you grow your skills and your savings. This isn't a shortcut to instant wealth. Earning money takes effort, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The secret? Work smarter, not harder. With the right tools and the right side hustle, you can truly change your financial future. You'll discover how to use simple technology to your advantage. Just a few hours a week can add up to a steady stream of extra income. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Your journey to earning more starts right here. Let's break it down together, step by step. Let's dive in. What's a side hustle? It's any job or activity you do outside your main job to make extra money. It's flexible. You decide when, where, and how much you work. Side hustles are popular because the cost of living is rising, and a single income often isn't enough. A side hustle gives you a financial cushion and more security if something happens to your main job. It can also be a passion project. Turn your interests or skills into income. You get to use your talents in new ways and see the direct results. The barrier to entry has never been lower, especially online. You can start a business from your kitchen table with just a laptop. The internet connects you to billions of potential customers. Platforms and tools make it easy to offer your skills or products worldwide. That's why the side hustle movement is booming. It's an opportunity open to almost everyone, no matter your background. Whether you want extra cash or a creative outlet, a side hustle is within reach. You're the boss. Fit it into your life, your way. Let's see how you can get started. The possibilities are endless. Meet DeepSeek, your personal AI assistant for side hustles. It's a smart tool that understands and generates human-like text. Ask it questions, give it commands, and it helps with a huge range of tasks. Not sure what side hustle to start? DeepSeek can suggest ideas based on your skills and interests. Need help creating content? It can brainstorm topics, write outlines, and even draft posts or product descriptions. DeepSeek also helps with business tasks, writing proposals, marketing plans, or professional emails. It takes the guesswork out of starting and running your side hustle. You focus on the work. DeepSeek handles the rest. It's like having an expert partner 24/7. You don't need to be an expert to start making money online. Here are a few beginner-friendly side hustles you can launch quickly, especially with DeepSeek's help. Freelance writing. Businesses need articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. If you can write clearly, you can do this, and DeepSeek can speed up your research and writing. Virtual assistant, help clients with emails, scheduling, or social media. DeepSeek can draft emails, organize to-do lists, and make you look professional from day one. Social media management. Many small businesses need help with their online presence. Use DeepSeek to generate post ideas and captions for clients. Print on demand. Create simple designs for t-shirts or mugs. Upload them to a platform and let the company handle printing and shipping. DeepSeek can help you brainstorm catchy quotes or design ideas. These side hustles are low risk, flexible, and perfect for beginners. You can start today, even with just a few hours a week. Use DeepSeek to make the process faster and easier. Pick one that fits your skills and interests. Take the first step. Your side hustle journey starts now. Let's see how to launch your first gig. Ready to launch your side hustle? Here's a simple plan using DeepSeek. Step 1. Brainstorm. Ask DeepSeek for side hustle ideas that match your skills and available time. Step 2. Validate. Use DeepSeek to research if people will pay for your idea and where to find potential clients. Step 3. Build your offer. Ask DeepSeek to help you create service packages and set prices. Step 4. Find your first client. Use DeepSeek to draft a professional pitch or email to send to prospects. DeepSeek guides you through each step, making the process less overwhelming. You don't need to figure it all out alone. With DeepSeek, you can go from idea to first client faster than you think. Focus on action, not perfection. The goal is to get your first win and build momentum. Use DeepSeek as your business coach, assistant, and creative partner. Take the leap. Your first paying client is closer than you think. Start today and let DeepSeek do the heavy lifting. Success is just a few steps away. Let's see how this works in real life. Meet Alex, who wants to pay off student loans faster. Alex decides to try freelance writing but doesn't know where to start. Using DeepSeek, Alex asks for tips on getting started and gets advice to create a writing portfolio. DeepSeek helps brainstorm article topics and outlines, making it easy to write sample pieces. Next, Alex asks DeepSeek for websites to find freelance writing jobs and signs up for a few. DeepSeek helps Alex write a professional bio and a cover letter tailored to a hiking gear blog. The company is impressed and offers Alex a small gig, 4 articles a month for $200. DeepSeek continues to help Alex research and outline posts, cutting writing time in half. Alex keeps the client happy while balancing a full-time job. In just a few weeks, Alex goes from zero experience to steady side income. This is the power of combining your effort with smart tools like DeepSeek. Anyone can do it, one step at a time. Start with what you have, use DeepSeek, and watch your side hustle grow. Your story could be next. Starting a side hustle? Avoid these common mistakes. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis, planning forever but never starting. Use DeepSeek to make a quick plan and take action. Don't underprice your services. Use DeepSeek to research fair rates and charge what you're worth. Treat your side hustle like a real business. Track your income, set goals, and stick to deadlines. Use a simple spreadsheet to stay organized. Set aside specific times each week for your hustle. Use DeepSeek to create a weekly schedule and keep you on track. Don't try to do everything yourself. Let DeepSeek handle tasks like writing emails or headlines. Your time is valuable. Automate or delegate what you can. Focus on the work that actually makes you money. Professionalism and smart use of tools turn a small gig into reliable income. Learn to work smarter, not harder. Mistakes are part of the process. Just keep moving forward. Use DeepSeek to solve problems and save time. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Stay flexible, keep learning, and don't give up. Success comes from action and smart choices. Getting your first side hustle payment feels great, but don't stop there. Track your progress and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. As you gain confidence, look for ways to grow. Get more clients or raise your rates. Use DeepSeek to find simple marketing strategies or improve your skills. Dedicate a little time each week to learning and promotion. As your experience grows, increase your prices for new clients. Take free online courses or learn new tools. DeepSeek can suggest resources. Keep your long-term vision in mind. Your side hustle could become a full-time business or a steady source of extra income. Don't be afraid to dream big. Keep adapting, learning, and providing value. The steps you take today lay the foundation for a more secure financial future. With tools like DeepSeek, you have everything you need to succeed. Stay consistent and watch your efforts pay off. The power to change your finances is in your hands. Start now and keep building. Your future self will thank you.